What's up, guys? It's Shere Khan again, coming to you with another part of Firebase Zulu. This is the hallway that is coming from the armor and cryo bay area and will be leading out to the fire escape or stairwell that will lead to different floors in the building. So, as you can tell, this is made up of the walls are just one by whatever, whether it's 1x4, 1x3s, what have you, but these are skinnier walls for the hallway. And to make the design, I just went with 45-degree slopes and 1x1x5 or 1x2x5s to make the long wall part coming up, and then inverted slopes, and then pieces to bridge the gap going across. Inside, I decided to do a vent that basically kind of runs the entire length of the room on both sides. And the vent is relatively easy because once again I did the 1x4 with studs on the side, and then you can get vent pieces in whatever color you like, and I just apply them on. And in places where I needed to have a little bit less space, you can also get, instead of the 1x4s, you can also get 1x2s. And they take up space, less space to do that. So I did that on both sides, as you can see. And then put the caution strips every 4 graded floor pieces. Graded floor pieces are 8x8s, so every 16 studs. Then I put the caution strip down, which is also where I have the door frame as well to match up. And then on the inside here, I took the weapons racks from the cryo bays and I put them inside and just took it apart. So this part here is only one plate. So across the top I had to do 2 more plates to make that equal out as to 1 brick, so it'd all be even. And I did the same thing on the other side. So there's a weapons rack on both sides. Now this is how I put it all together, and now I'm going to show you how we're going to put the floor together. So the subfloor is made up of 4x4 plates and then 2x4 bricks attaching the plates together so that they'll hold. The edges are basically either 1x4 or 1x2s going across, and then at the same distance I put in a 1x2 with a grate going across the front. But part of the reason that you do this is so that your floor will have some strong stability. So this being underneath, anything you see from underneath looks like one solid piece for a ceiling. And then with the gaps here, I have room to run wires for lights for underneath here for whatever this floor is covering. And then when we attach the hallway, that'll go right on top. And so your floors basically will always be a brick and 2 plates in thickness. So now we'll attach it together. Okay, so now that it's put on, that's what it looks like with that thickness. So now we'll finish the flooring on this side, and then we'll put on the stairwell. And this is what it looks like with the entire thing put together. So now the stairwell has 3 platforms coming off on the side. And each one of those platforms will be the next level up. So as you see, there's a gap here. But that gap is a total of 1 brick and 2 plates. So that will go ahead and let that be perfectly even with the next level of flooring up. So this is what it'll be on the build outside of the cryo bay and armor bay. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Remember to like, subscribe, tell a friend, comment, and let me know if you like it or not. Till next time, happy building.